So just finding that triangular base, feeling grounded and upright. Slight tuck in your chin, back of your neck is long, crown of your head is lifted. Chest and shoulders are open and relaxed. Gaze can be lowered down along the line of your nose. You can partially close your eyes, or you can let your eyes close all the way down. Swaying your body a little bit side to side here, like a pendulum, settling into your sweet spot. And then just dropping in. So yeah, we've got this grounding that we're encouraging. And at the same time, there's this like relaxation, this openness up top, this sense of like allowing things to flow through. Some people find that having a hand on the chest and a hand on the belly to kind of feel their way into the breathing to start can be helpful. Or a couple of hands down on the belly can be helpful. Just dropping in for a moment or two, being with your breathing someplace low down in your torso here. Having that sense of curiosity. Don't worry too much about getting it right or anything like that. Just being with your breathing, however it's manifesting for you, low down in your body here. Breathing in and out through your nose if that feels comfortable for you, or in through your nose and out through your mouth if that's more comfortable. And so you've got your breathing happening, kind of like a flowing anchor. And actually, the practice we're going to settle into this week is a loving kindness practice, a little bit different than our body scan. But, your breathing's going to be happening the whole time. So sometimes it can be helpful to just keep staying with that as we go along. So starting off with the loving kindness practice, this is kind of a practice that goes back a few hundred years to a Zen teacher named Torei in Japan. He taught what are called the four boundless meditation practices. And the first one is this loving kindness. It's like wishing a being well, wanting them to be happy, wanting them to be well, wanting them to be free from pain. So starting off actually with yourself. Okay, so just wishing, mentally repeating, perhaps, just wishing yourself well in the form of, may I be well, may I be happy. Just mentally repeating, may I be well, may I be happy. And you can do this just to yourself right now as you are. Sometimes people find that imagining that somebody is saying it to them, somebody they care about, and is saying, may you be well, may you be happy, may you be free from pain, is helpful. Or you may find that imagining yourself as as a child, as a young person can be helpful. There's many avenues for it, but starting with yourself, may I be well, may I be happy. Sometimes it feels like a drizzle. It can start to feel like a drizzling of rain on the ground. And as you keep going, the rain begins to pick up little bit by little bit. You start to feel it kind of soaking in, wishing yourself well. Some people imagine a color, and wherever they can feel the well-wishing, they let that color begin to pervade and to expand so they can feel that sense of kindness more and more. Continuing with yourself, may I be well, may I be happy. Continuing to breathe, continuing to soften. And once you can sense that, and don't worry, be patient. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time to really sense it, but that's okay. You're really laying the foundation. Once you can feel it for yourself, moving on and imagining either a teacher of yours or a good friend. And they can be from the past, they can be from the present, wishing them well, directing the sense of kindness and well-wishing to this person. May you be well, may you be happy. Perhaps may you be free from pain. Oh, imagining them. It's like you're broadcasting it out to this person that you're imagining in front of you. Letting that drizzle of rain begin to maybe pick up a little bit for this person. May they be well, may they be happy. Continuing to breathe, continuing to relax, wishing this person the very best. And the idea is to get to the point where the kindness you feel towards yourself is the same intensity to the kindness and the well-wishing that you feel towards this teacher or this very good friend. So let it equal out, comparing the two levels. And when things are feeling pretty equal, moving on to a neutral person in your life. This is probably maybe somebody you come across at the tea shop who maybe you don't know. Maybe they work at the tea shop or at the supermarket, or somebody you see passing you on your way to work in the morning, somebody who you don't really have a negative or a positive impression, just any person in your life. And you can imagine them. You can make somebody up. And same thing, may they be happy, may they be well, may they be well, may they be happy. Broadcasting this open-heartedness, this well-wishing to your neutral person. Might start off as a drizzle, and then the rain, the intensity gradually begins to pick up towards this person. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be free from pain, suffering. And when it's feeling like yourself, your friend or teacher, and this neutral person, the intensity of the well-wishing, the loving kindness is equal, more or less, kind of going back between the three, allowing things to even out. Beginning then perhaps to shift to a difficult person in your life. Now, this person can be just mildly difficult. It might make sense to start off with a pretty kind of mildly challenging person, or somebody who pushes your buttons a little bit. There's obviously going to be a spectrum there, maybe not starting with a very difficult person. Just picking somebody, imagining them here in your presence. And again, may you be well, may you be happy. Sending it to this person because they, as well, they might have had a hard time growing up, and nobody wants to suffer. Maybe you don't know their personal history. Nobody wants to be in pain, so wishing them well. Perhaps they even begin to gradually glow as you do this practice for them. Begin to glow, they begin to brighten up, they begin to smile. May they be well, may they be happy. And again, just checking your evenness. Is the level of well-wishing and kindness roughly the same between all four of our people? Just being curious, no judgment about it, just checking in. It's like what you can feel. It's how strongly you feel it. Continuing to breathe, continuing to soften and relax. And at this point, you can either stay with those four people, bouncing around, or picking one and just really deepening it, or you're welcome to let things begin to expand even more, letting this well-wishing begin to expand to everyone in the room. May everyone in the room be well. May they be happy. What would that be like if everybody was truly well and happy? Letting this sentiment pervade out even more into the whole neighborhood, to everybody, every being, animals, birds, human beings in this neighborhood, Lincoln, Lawrence Street, wishing every being well and happiness. Letting your loving kindness continue to expand and pervade to the entire city, to all of Eugene, or wherever you are right now practicing. May every being in your town be well and happy. Letting this pervade to the entire state of Oregon, not leaving anybody out. May they all be well. May they be happy. May they be free from pain. Sensing this well-wishing as it intensifies, as it expands out, letting it expand into the entire Pacific Northwest or wherever you are. And then into the entire country. May everyone, may every being, animals, insects, nothing left out. May everything be well and happy. Continuing to let this open-heartedness expand into the entire continent, North America, every being, South America as well. How would it be if every being was well and happy? Expanding to Europe, to Africa, to Asia, to the entire planet, all beings without exception. Wanting them to be okay. Letting it continue to expand to encompass the entire solar system. Every being, every particle. Happy and free from pain. Letting it, this sentiment, this well-wishing, expand through the entire galaxy, the entire universe. No one left out. Not one being forgotten. How would it be if your mind was as open as the entire universe? If your heart was as open as the universe? And once again, when you can feel ready, it's again being aware of your breathing, being aware of your body right here in the moment, in the room, sensing your breathing down in your belly. And gently beginning to sway your body a little bit side to side. And allowing your eyes to lift.